today raised concerns with Myanmar over the growing threat posed by cyber scam networks operating along Myanmar's border regions, emphasizing that the issue is not merely a bilateral security concern but one that requires enhanced regional cooperation. The matter was discussed during bilateral talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Myanmar President Aung Hlaing at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Addressing reporters after the meeting, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said India and Myanmar have been cooperating closely to tackle cyber scam compounds, particularly in southeastern Myanmar. He revealed that 2,411 Indian citizens have been repatriated from such scam centers in Myanmar over the past 18 months. Misri said that according to the latest estimates, more than 150 Indian nationals are still believed to be trapped in these cyber scam compounds. He added that the Indian government is in constant touch with the Myanmar authorities to secure their return. He further noted that many of the victims are trafficked to Myanmar through third countries before being forced into cyber scam operations. According to Misri, this underlines the need for greater regional cooperation in addition to bilateral efforts, as the issue possesses a significant security challenge for countries in the region. He said India has consistently raised the matter in bilateral discussions with Myanmar and in other regional forums. During the meeting, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Aung Hlaing also held wide-ranging discussions on strengthening India-Myanmar relations. The two leaders agreed to deepen cooperation in areas such as trade, investment, connectivity, development, partnership, capacity building, security and border management. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterated India's readiness to support peace and dialogue in Myanmar and expressed willingness to share India's experiences in federal governance and economic growth. In a statement, the Ministry of External Affairs said both leaders agreed to advance the India-Myanmar partnership for peace, progress and prosperity, building on the long-standing historical and people-to-people ties between the two neighboring countries. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.